Hello and welcome back to our lessons. This video is a continuation of our previous discussion. On the previous video, we have learned how to connect our chatbot flow to Facebook ads using the button and the quick reply. In this video, we are going to use the frequently asked questions. We will also learn how to use JSON and then m.me link. So let's start by using the frequently asked questions. And you may see that there are predefined questions here. You can just delete all of them. All right. Now, on the question number 1, we are going to replace this with the label from our quick reply. So go back to our chatbot flow, and this is the label that we are going to use, the check our properties label. So copy this one and paste it on our message template. Now, on the automated response, do not put anything here, okay? Do not put anything here. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you copy the exact label that you used under the question number 1. So copy this and then go back to your flow, because under this, under the text that was connected to the check our properties quick reply, we are going to add a trigger keyword. So right click, add a trigger, and connect the trigger here. And after that, let's configure a trigger keyword and use the label from our message template. All right, now we are going to click OK. So what we did here is whenever the user clicks the check our properties FAQ or frequently asked question, it will trigger our keyword. Since our keyword is exactly the same as this one, the flow that was connected to our keyword trigger will be sent. Let's go back now to our flow, and we need to copy another label. So this is the label that we need to copy, the contact us. Copy this one and then go back to your message template, and we are going to add another question and then add the label here, the contact us label, and then make sure that the automated response here is blank. Then go back to your flow, and then we are going to add a keyword trigger to this text, because this text is the one that is directly connected to our contact us quick reply. So right click and then configure a keyword and paste the label that we used on our message template, and then click OK. After saving, we can now go back to the message template and then test this out. To test, simply click preview in Messenger, and then let's go to Messenger to check the test. All right, we have received the test message. And as you can see, this is another form of a message. This type of message is what we call the frequently asked questions. So this is not the same as the quick reply, because the quick reply is arranged horizontally while the frequently asked questions is aligned vertically, like the one that you are seeing on the screen here. Let's try to click the check our properties FAQ or frequently asked question. And as you can see, it triggered the message that was directly connected to our keyword trigger, because essentially this became our keyword trigger now, the check our properties. Now let's trigger this again by clicking preview in Messenger, and this time we are going to click the contact us FAQ or frequently asked question. And as you can see, it sent us the message that is directly connected to our contact us keyword trigger. Now, for better performance for our keyword triggers, we can set each of our keyword trigger to strict. So let's go back to our flow and then edit our keyword and make this keyword as strict. And also, let's edit the other keyword and make it as strict. Using the strict mode on your trigger would make sure that your flow would only trigger if the user have entered this exact phrase. So since the phrase that we used is under the FAQ or frequently asked question, so the user have no choice but to enter the exact keyword that we have set on our flow.